Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to debug a DLL. Okay, how to debug or attach a DLL to an exe. Okay, so that you will be able to execute it from the application which you are actually interested. Okay, the DLL might be dependent on one exe. Probably then what we can do to launch that application. So probably maybe what I will do is I will create an ATL DLL. Okay, okay. So ATL project. So just creating an ATL project, okay. Then ATL project, maybe I will test ATL or whatever. ATL, maybe what I will do here is I will create it. Test ATL, test ATL debug, okay. ATL debug. That's what that might we will create something like that, okay. Then and I will need a big link that was walk this step support MFC. Then let me click OK. So this will create a bare minimal DLL. Okay. So this will create a bare minimal DLL. So now the next step is how do we will be able to attach it and attach this DLL. Okay, and launch it. So that's what the idea here. So let me take. Is it Quit? Maybe yeah, it came. Okay. So probably let me probably I might need to uh, if this needs to be registered, then there is another problem. It needs to be registered. This needs to be run as an administrator. So unfortunately I didn't start it as administrator. Probably I might need to launch it as administrator. Uh, let me just compile it. See this. So since didn't start it as an administrator mode, it didn't register it. Okay, failed to register the upload. So using registry 32. So that for that thing you might need a administrator privileges. But if I started it now with the administrator privileges, probably this might recording tool might quit. Okay. So what I will do is I will first show you where to attach the exe. Okay. So that's what my idea here. Okay. So that's the reason why I actually created this exe itself. Created this DLL itself. Okay. So in the debugging, there might be some path. Okay, where you will be able to attach debugging or general. Let me check advanced. There's some section here. Okay, debugging command line argument Windows debugger command target path probably. So it is actually using this command arguments environment. So this might be the one where I might need to launch it using Eurekasim software. That's what my idea here. Okay. So program files. Where's that located? See program files. Or maybe x86. Okay. See program files. x86 Eurekasim. Okay. So what I will do here is I will attach the Eurekasim executable. Okay. Here. Open. Then I click apply. Then click OK. Then if I try to launch it, then it will launch this DLL along with the Eurekasim as well. See like this. Okay. So this is how you will be able to debug the application. So if I want to put a breakpoint, then what we can do here, just click on it, put a breakpoint here. Just a minute, let me download it. If somewhere if you want to put a breakpoint and then do see how it getting executed, then what you need to do is put a breakpoint like this here. Wherever you are actually interested. I'm just putting an example here inside conditional breakpoint. Okay. Then you start the debugging. Okay, local debugger. When you start the debugging, if this execution comes here, then it will automatically hit the breakpoint. Okay. So that's how we will be able to launch a DLL. Okay, launch or debug a DLL with an executable. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, if you are having any sort of doubt, please do let me know. Thank you.